Wow, so awesome. Incredible. Amazing. Great.
Very good job.
Oh no. We're losing. Game over. This is the end.
Oopsie.
Wow. Great job. Fantastic.
So beautiful.
Do you understand what I am saying?
Do you understand what I am saying?
Yes, very good. Excellent.
Yes.
No, that is not good. You do not understand what I am saying.
No, that's not good user not. Bye.
I got motivated to build this bot because I've been learning Go and I wanted to use that on some projects somehow. So I figured why not build a Discord bot and try it. This bot is built using Golang with the Discord Go package and using with AI for speech to text, and then some simple sentiment analysis model from a project I found online. The bot's voice is provided by a responsive voice. It's a simple system. We have a server running a bot and then listening for bot events, which the bot will handle, like being added to a guild, which is what Discord calls a server, or to handle commands sent by a user. The bot receives the event and then spin up two Go routines, one to handle incoming voice packets from speaking users in the channel, and the other to process them and turn them into replies. I ran into some issues with incoming Opus OGG based voice packets, as with AI doesn't really like them, but through some trial and error I found that converting them to MP3 works since with AI likes them better for some reason. With AI basically processes the audio file and then returns you the predicted text, so I can then use it to build the two functions for the bot. For the first join me mode, I basically pass the text to the sentiment model to analyze, and it will guess whether it's a negative or positive sounding sentence. Then based on the sentiment, I just randomly choose a positive or negative reply text to send back to the user. For the second mode, the repeat after me mode, I just use whatever with AI has predicted to echo back to the user. With the text I need, I just need to retrieve the voice files I need by feeding the text response I need to responsive voice, which then gives me the MP3 files that I need for response. Lastly, I just need to convert the MP3 files to Opus OGG file formats again, then stream that back to the user. That's it really. There were some issues with concurrency that I faced, but temporarily resolved using sync.map instead of pure maps, which are kinda slow. And also the sentiment model isn't really that great, at least for short inputs, so gotta figure out a way to do that more accurately somehow. Oh, and the bot is meant for single users only. I haven't really tested with multiple users in the channel. Link to the bots below, so have fun.